We've done that.
Oh, here, let me put it on. Let me put it on, then you can speak.
No,
you can do it.
Mama, you do it.
You can do it. You're doing it now. Go on, tell them what you've done. Tell them what you've done.
Mummy, I'm gonna peek through with this magic wand.
Okay, you peek through the magic wand. You peek through, okay? You peek through the magic wand. Go on, peek through. So show them what you've done with your stickers that Mummy bought you.
Put 5 in each one.
And all matching in all the corners, look. So.
Put it down there. Put it down first.
Yeah, did those without Mummy seeing.
And then do that.
Just don't push them off the corridors. Don't meant to go on corridors. Yeah. You did it so well, I couldn't say. Anyway, we are now going to be making pumpkins, so please join our family. Please give us a thumbs up. Shush in the background, you. So we're now going to paint our pumpkins for Halloween and for harvest, really. I'm a little bit late with this. I should have really done it in September, but none of the pumpkins was out. I got them last week, but we didn't have a chance last weekend. Looking forward for you joining us. Please subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up. There is lots coming up at Christmas, and I've got the most awesome giveaway to give, but that'll only be if you're watching right away and you're going into sort of October, November 2019. So if you're watching in 2020, when this has been on a year, that won't be. But if you're not, then please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Okay, we're going to get cracking on.
Mummy, do you not want to, Mummy? Do you want that bit to be painted, the bottom bit?
Yeah, you can do. Don't get too much painting. You know you've got to spread the paint out. Right, so that's Minnie and Mickey for you. And then Mummy needs to get on with these.
Mummy, but what about if I've done with Minnie and Mickey? Can I help you with my white paint? I'm going to do Minnie now.
Right, so this is the next stage. So I put my little ears in.
Hello, welcome to our channel.
Sally Jack's TV Mum. This is Frankie Jack, but I'm going to do the first bit because I need the lines to be really straight. These are our Mickey and Minnie pumpkins that we're going to make. So we've painted the bottom part red, as you can see, and we've turned them back to the right way. This is this paint that I get, acrylic graduate paint from the range. This is what I use. It dries really quick. I tried to use wall paint yesterday on my pumpkins, which I'm going to do another vlog. Wouldn't advise it.
She couldn't do it.
Wouldn't advise it. So here we go. So I'm just going to paint around and try and get this as neat as I possibly can, because obviously you want the top bit to be black. go on them, and I think possibly the end of a Pritt stick is going to be big enough. So Frankie Jack, I'm going to give you that to draw around. So I want you to draw around the bottom of the Pritt stick.
What? Mama, I need to make my chair. All the way to the other side?
Yeah, all the way around. And if you see, you've made a circle. So we're gonna make lots of these.
Can I make one again?
Yep, I know.
I'm going to cut them out randomly.
Yes.
Get that bit.
So we're going to draw around these, and then I did these last year but I never did a vlog on it. So we've actually got, I must have taken a pair of the ears off, and this is double thickness actually. I think I used 2 layers of card. So I've kept these from last year. So can you see? So they're a circle, and then I've got a bit that struts out, and that's what sticks on, and that sticks behind, if you will. So then you've got 2 ears. So I'm going to draw around these on black card. So all you need is a circle and then a part that comes out the bottom. Do you see what I mean? See what I've done? So I'm going to draw around these as well.
What are them for?
Those are their spots for their clothing. So I'm just going to cut round this. So all you need to do is draw some sort of template for the ears with a bit. So if I pick that up, you can see, hopefully, with the lining that I've done. Can you see? So it's like an ear with then a flap on the bottom.
Shall I cut it
No,
out?
Mummy will cut these, sweetheart.
You cut them.
You cut. Are you going to start cutting the circles?
Oh. Can I start from... Mummy! Will it be better like you cut in the corner?
So then you want 4 of these. If you're making 2 ears, you want 4. Can you see? So that's the flap. And that's one of the ears, and I'll get double that, and I'll put them together so it's just a little bit stronger. You don't need to, that would suffice, but I just want it a little bit stronger so it stays and it doesn't flap about as much. I now yacht varnish and wait for dry for 24 hours. Then with a hot glue, I stick on Mickey Mouse's buttons. Then I pop on his ears. The hot glue is not too hot because obviously you've got a more porous surface looking at a pumpkin. Then I go for Minnie Mouse and put all her dots around what would be her skirt, her dress, around the bottom to differentiate the two. Stick on her ears, and then I've got the old bow from last year that I actually handmade. It might be a little bit too big, but it'll do for this year. But that is your Minnie and Mickey for Halloween. I think Frankie Jack might take it into school just for a day or 2, but we do want it for the Halloween party in the kitchen, which hopefully if they'll last, because obviously there's a chance that they might not last. But that's how you do Minnie and Mickey. Thank you for being with me. Give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. It'd be lovely to have you part of our YouTube family. We are mad Disney fans. That's probably thanks to my brother, and obviously having a 5-year-old. My brother and his wife are mad Disney fans, but I absolutely love this. I think it's great. It makes you giggle. So easy to do, as you've seen. If you do it, now make sure you take pictures because it's always lovely to see as well. I'll see you later.